Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Kumar from EC branch. Today I am going to explain about the innovation and design thinking workshop on imagination and innovation ideas, and my topic is car accident detection sensor. An accident detecting sensor project typically involves creating a system that can detect accident or collision and trigger appropriate actions such as sending alerts or notifying emergency service. The project might use various sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, and GPS models to monitor changes in motion, orientation, and position. When a significant change or impact is detected, the system can interpret it as an accident and activate the predefined response mechanism. This could involve sending notification to a user's phone, triggering an alarm, or even automatically contacting emergency service with the location information. The project would be required programming skills to interface with the sensor, process data, and implement the desired action based on the detective events. Here are some points that help to develop the project. Required components, sensor functionality, data collection, microcontroller, data process, accident detection logic, alert generation, communication module, power source, testing and validation, use interface, safety and ethical consideration. And this is the diagram which shows the project. When a car hits to the another vehicle, the message will be sent through the sensor and it will send messages to various type of alerting systems like fire brigade, ambulance, hospitals, police station, etc. Thank you.